Ready to climb the tech industry ladder? If you want your career to scale the ranks, you need to set yourself apart. You need knowledge and skills to create scalable products, build your own brand, and get hired by your dream company. You need React Native, the next level, Kubernetes Express. We invite budding software developers and tech industry pros to get immersed in a thoughtfully developed curriculum and 11 hours of learning material. Discover how to create outstanding applications using expert-level React Native features, build new apps with Xcode, explore new navigation options, master Firebase authentication, and so much more. React Native, the next level, delves deep into building a scalable product using enterprise-level technologies. Simple step-by-step video tutorials will strengthen your enterprise coding skills and help you build a brand you can be proud to present to potential employers or investors. So, what kind of technologies are we talking about? From React Native to Redux for state management, Google Cloud, Kubernetes, and so much more. This course focuses on helping you build real products. From ideation to implementation, you'll be a master of all this technology and beyond in no time. Before long, you'll learn how to use Kubernetes Express to the fullest, accessing real-time metrics from Kubernetes data to ensure optimal cluster performance and health. Use Kubernetes Express to visualize Kubernetes cluster metrics on the move, from your mobile, all from one place. Learn to scrape your cluster, get real-time data metrics for CPU usage and network saturation, and so much more. Excited yet? Join our community by investing in React Native, the next level now. It's a small price to pay for the future you've been dreaming of, arming you with the knowledge and skills you need to become a wizard in the world of tech. Develop passion with meaningful and scalable products with React Native, the next level, Kubernetes Express.